Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. Okay, so this started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it started selling, and of course it has been selling since then. It broke out from this support zone, from this particular support zone, and of course it gives it more opportunity to sell more. So this is still selling at the moment. If it should break out below the next support zone, then definitely it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the next support zone. So let's check out the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, and of course it has gotten to this region, to the resistance region, but it is still buying at the moment. But if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying, but it might not be for a very long time before it will go into a downtrend. Okay, so this is very important. Let's check out crash 1000. Crash 1000 had got to this support zone and was unable to break out from there, so it started a buy trend right from there. So it has been buying since then. It has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it is most likely for it to go back on downtrend right from there. But you need to wait for the necessary signals before you go fully into it. However, if it breaks out above there, it will continue to buy. Okay, so this is very important. Let's check out crash 500. Crash 500 had also been on buy trend for a very long time, and it is still buying even though it is at the resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying, but this might not be for a very long time because it is at the resistance zone already. Now let's check out volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It had been on downtrend for a very long time. It has not been able to break out from here, so it is going back on buy trend right now. So we expect it to buy more. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it before you try it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.